Folks, we got a quick review today on these Buddeez containers. These are made in the United States. I found these totally by accident, just kind of looking around on Amazon for some solutions in terms of I was expanding into new workshop space, and I have like all these little bits and bobs, all these little small bits floating around everywhere, kind of on the loose, and I needed to find kind of a convenient storage solution where I could put them in some sort of sealed container, but a container that was clear so I could actually see what was inside. I mean, of course, I'm going to label them too probably, but I needed some sort of like good storage solution, but I didn't want the bins to be too big and all that. Well, this company, Buddeez, they make these storage containers, and once I started using these, I've now bought 24 of them. They're just like super handy to use. Also too, you can even, I find they seal up real nice as well. Some of the stuff, just for rust prevention and all that, I could even add like some little moisture absorbent packets in there if I wanted or whatever. So for different sensitive items, I could do that. But I find the seal on the containers is real good. Also too, you can take the top off if you want. Basically, there's a little tab at the back you just pull and off they go. Made in the USA, all that. I think the quality on them is real good. The only thing I've run into with them is that if you fill them totally up with a lead-based type object, something that's super heavy, and you kind of carry it around from the top could potentially kind of pop off. So you do have to kind of watch. If you put a ton of weight in them and you're lifting them by the top, then that might not work as well. But you do, in that case, you just have to hold them by this. But for putting on top of the workbench and stuff, these have worked great. Some of these I'm going to end up filling with all these random washers and bolts, all this stuff that I have laying around. So I've been super happy with these, folks. Definitely check these out. Right here on Amazon, this company Buddeez making these in the United States, which is pretty cool. Give them a go. I found them real nice for the kind of a workshop or similar type situation where you've got a workbench or even like an office or something where you have all these little different things you need to store. So check them out and give them a go and see the different products that they have.